This is a sad, sad story of a mighty pirate that sailed the seven seas and got and won so much booty and a beautiful wife. But like all pirates, sometimes things don't work out well. And as you can see, he didn't make it back alive. But his wife does not want to let him go, and his loyal servant, with concern for her, shows up at the door, worrying what has happened to her sad, sad life, not wanting to leave her husband.
Who cometh? Who be you?
Me, Captain.
Okay. Captain is having a spot of tea or rum. Would you like to join?
Sounds great to me, Captain. I love a cup of tea. Or maybe some rum.
Come on in. Would you like a drink?
Sounds pretty good to me, Captain. Oh, what did you do? Did you break a tooth?
Oh,
Be careful, Captain.
let me get a drink.
That'll make the pain go away, Captain.
The loyal servant gave her a few more bottles of wine, and as you can see, she got very happy and cheerful, and the pain went away from the broken tooth, from all the wine she had. And then all of a sudden, her personality changed. She got mean and crabby and ugly. She got the sword out, and the loyal servant said, "Well, I think it's time for me to leave. You seem like you feel so much better, madam. I'll see you later. Maybe it's time for you to lay down and take a little nap. See you later. Be careful with that sword. I wouldn't want it to slip around my neck." The loyal servant, still worried about his mistress losing her husband, she still can't get over the captain dying. She won't let him go. As you can see, she's still with him. It's a little scary.
Oh, Jack, I do miss you. I miss you so much.
Hi, mistress.
What are you doing here?
I'm just letting you know I brought your blood orange martinis in for you and the captain and you, the mistress. Please.
Set them down and leave us alone.
I'm so sorry I interrupted. I'm leaving now. I'm sorry.
Be gone.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Jack. Why did you have to leave me? I'm so sad.
Well, the loyal servant kept checking on the mistress, and she kept drinking, and eventually she pulled herself together, and she said, "Come, my loyal servant, let us board the ship, and let's us go and get our swords, and go back out there and get some more booty. I can't wait to go and go have some more fun. How does that sound to you, my loyal servant?"
Oh, it sounds fine, my sweet, sweet captain. I'm ready to go. Are we ready to sail now?
And of course she said, "Yes, I'm ready to sail."
I'm ready to go with you, my mistress, or my captain of captains.
Oh my gosh, the new captain's doing a great job. Look at all the things that she has managed to steal. Look at the treasure. So much stuff, so many jewels, and so many gold coins. Oh, it's going to her head. Look at her change of attitude.
Oh, Captain Captain, what beautiful boots you got. Where did you get them?
Oh, these lovely things, I got them from the booty of San Franciscan ship.
Oh my gosh. Is that where all those beautiful gold plates came from too, Captain?
Yes. Are they not beautiful? I just love them.
Oh, Captain, you look beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Is it time for dinner yet, my Captain?
Do you see food on the table? Of course not. Where is the food? Where is my cook?
Well, you had the cook. I don't want to remind you, but you put him on the plank last night and he's not here anymore.
I forgot. That's why there's an extra skull over there. All right, who's gonna make my dinner?
I don't know, Captain. I don't know how to cook.
That's not a good situation.
Well, Captain, I am a good, loyal servant, so don't put me on the plank or you're not going to have anybody. So I can serve the food. I just can't cook.
Well, we have these beautiful dishes and we need food. I can't live on sweets.
Why not? You're sweet, baby.
Click.
The trusty mate, a fear of losing his head, ran out of the room as fast as he could to bring the sweets and some liquor to make her happy again.
Oh, Captain, I'm so hungry. Can we eat now? We only have sweets, and you're so sweet. Can we have some sweets, my dear Captain?
Well, I guess we have no choice since there's no cook and no food. So I guess sweets it is.
Oh, thank you, Captain. Think maybe we could have a little bit of champagne, too?
Boy, you're asking for a lot.
Well, I'm a little thirsty, Captain.
All right, I guess we'll have some champagne.
Oh, thank you, Captain.
And then we'll have our wine, sweets, and in the night with a nightcap.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, Captain. It's going to be a wonderful dinner. I love drinking my dinner. It makes it so much fun.
I agree.
Oh, you're so kind to me, Captain. Well,
Thank you, trusty matey.
thank you, sweet Captain. Well, let's sit down and have some sweets for the sweet Captain that's so generous today.